What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. I know it's been too long, but right now we're getting ready to go do some ice fishing. It is actually 10:30 on the day before we do the fishing, so I'm just getting ready now. Got the auger battery charging, the Vexy is charged up, and just gonna get my gear ready. Going up to Devil's Lake with Brennan and his dad, and hopefully we get after it. We're leaving Fargo at 5. They're gonna pick me up at 5, and we'll get up to Devil's Lake whenever we get up there. It's about a 2.5 hour drive or so, I think, and haven't fished Devil's Lake yet this year, and we'll get after it tomorrow, hopefully. So, well, guys, before I go to bed here tonight, I just want to show you what my rod locker is looking like, because I did a video on that a while back. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and just show you what I'm working with. So this is what the rod locker looks like, all filled up here. I got my rods in here and then all my tackle boxes. So just kind of a shot of it when it's not perfect and clean when I did that review video, and it's kind of collecting some stuff down in there. That's the little throw it away all area, and got some unopened lures down there that hopefully we're gonna be able to bust out tomorrow. He's this guy here. New lure today. I caught such a big fish the last time I was out, it bent the hook, you know? That's the price you have to pay for being good at this sport. Perfect. All right, here we go. Devil's Lake 2023. Get my grub worm on here. Beta choice today. Yeah, they're doing exactly what you're saying. They come up and then they go back down. Oh, I haven't done my fish call. That's why they're not here. Fishy, fishy. Fish, you know, let them know you're here. They can sense the vibration. Like right now, I'm saying, come here, like a little dog. What even is jambalaya? I've never had jambalaya before. Is it like a soup? Right? Or it's like liquid, isn't it?
I think it's like a fried rice.
Okay.
But with like, kind of like, it's like thicker. It's more like,
Okay.
it like holds together.
Oh.
It's like mashed. It has like the consistency of, you just switch chili.
Okay.
But it's like a lot different tasting. It's like a Cajun chili.
Okay.
But it's so
Yeah, I've never had jambalaya before. All right, everybody. I kind of realized I did not really explain to you guys where we are and what we're doing. I can tell you what lake we're on today because it's a pretty big lake and can't disclose the exact location, even though we're not catching much fish. But we're fishing Devil's Lake today, North Dakota, with B. Rennan and his dad. As you saw in the clip before this, we were outside. We didn't quite set up because we're trying to find the fish. Brennan's dad caught a fish at that spot, and we moved, so we're trying to find some more fish here. But we left Fargo this morning around 5, and we got up here around 7:45 or so, and we've been fishing ever since. It is 10:30, and getting after some fish here, so hopefully get on some, and you'll see us when we catch some big mondos through the hole. You have anything to say, Brennan?
You know, all I'm gonna say is it's like don't got any fish in it, but I think that we just gotta wait for the bite to hit. You know, that's how Devil's Lake always is.
Oh God,
it's always a big bite.
Yes, sir.
Once that happens, see, like I have a fish on the screen right now, but like it's just not interested. So that's all we're waiting on right now.
They're just not hungry yet, but they're gonna be hungry. So we'll see when we catch one. Spying on the competition here. We got some houses down there, some houses over there, house over there. Let's go. Let's go. It's a packed house.
Let's catch some fish now, dude.
Let's catch fish. We dialed. Let's go. We're going big numbers today. Big numbers.
At the end of the video, you're just like,
sorry guys, didn't catch a fish, but nah, that's not happening. Here we go. All right, everybody, switched up rods here. So we got the 36-inch medium heavy Shields Outfitter Nano Series rod here. Got on a red and black, I don't know, little hook thing, tipped with a full minnow. So hopefully that can produce here.
You got the food.
Oh my God. I thought you had fish. I thought you had fish.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. Oh, let me go 0.5.
Cooking with the Kardashians.
All right. We got bro brought the ingredients onto the ice.
This is like a local peace offering, so I brought you one of these.
Oh, thanks.
Stick it into there.
Thanks.
Okay.
So let me take the battery out of my stomach. Got to keep it warm, you know. One bad thing about electric augers is you gotta make sure the battery stays warm. So we'll put that in the insulated rabbit hat, and it'll stay up here because you know heat rises.
Yep.
Okay. First step of cooking this. What's it called? Jambalaya.
Yeah.
You gotta turn the heater on, or your heat source. Ours is this Buddy Flex by Buddy Heater.
Okay. Should we? Yeah. Okay.
So I'm gonna do like this. To turn it on, you gotta push in. Hopefully you have enough propane. You push in, push the pilot light, get the propane running. All right, we got a flame. Now you gotta hold it, kind of let the propane cycle through. Depending on how long it's been since you last used it, it will take longer or shorter. I think I got a flame going. Once you get a flame going,
I see that.
There we go. Okay, got that on. Do you want it on high or low?
Whatever will make it heat up fast.
Okay, it's on high then right now.
Okay.
So now it's going. I gotcha.
All right. Homemade jambalaya. I know it kind of looks like throw up right now, but trust me.
Looks good. Is that sausage chunks?
Yeah, it's sausage.
Ooh. 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 All right, what's the first step when you're cooking jambalaya?
Well,
or reheating it, I should say. Fish on!
You gotta dump it into the bowl. So I don't know how much we're gonna be eating today.
I'm not that hungry, so don't make too much for me.
Just stick that right there.
Damn. Do you like these camera angles?
Yeah.
POV, your scoop of jambalaya.
Oh God.
Oh.
Bruh. Get a little bit on it. This jambalaya consists of sausage and chicken.
There's chicken in it?
Yeah, little pieces.
Nice.
No, you can put whatever you want into yours. Doesn't matter.
It's like a build your own.
Yeah, kind of like that actually. Kind of like a build your own. Then, oh my God, it's getting really hot.
It's hot in here. Right now it's like 20 degrees at least. It's probably warmer, so the heater in here makes everything a lot hotter.
So how am I gonna heat this up?
I don't know, just kind of put it, I put it just right here. This will get really hot if you put it right here. Oh shoot, yeah, just set it right there. That might melt your plastic though.
You think so?
Yeah, this thing gets toasty.
Oh, it does.
So now we just wait, right?
Yeah.
And now we wait. And now we wait. All right, everybody, we out here. Brennan's world famous jambalaya. It's looking good, mighty tasty. Going in for the first taste test of the day.
Is it warm? Is it warm?
That's good. It's a little cold.
Oh, it's
But
cold.
it's good. Like the meat is cold, but the rice is warm.
Oh, okay.
I give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. If you guys are in the market for some world's famous jambalaya, hit him up on Instagram at Palmer Fishes or his personal, Brennan Palmer. He'll happily whip you up a batch.
My name is Brennan Gene Palmer, and we just caught 0 fish, and now we're gonna head east. Yeah, we're gonna head.
That's north.
We're gonna head north.
Wait. Yes.
Northeast.
Yes. Yeah.
Northeast.
Yeah.
Over yonder, in between the light blue house and the dark blue / black house, we're gonna be in between those, and we're gonna slay some fish. It's gonna be great.
Let's go. Flood the house, that's what we're talking about. Yeah. We're going after a personal best today on DAKattack Outdoors. Because we're just that good. Like, I can't lock my rod. Wow.
All right. Oh, well.
Oh! First fish of the day there for B. Rennan and of the house, so that's a good sign. Things might be starting to heat up here. And let's go. All right, guys. It's occurred to me the last 3 hours that I've been fishing that the fish need some flavor in their lives. So, with that being said, because this video is sponsored by Black Cherry American Clear Sparkling Water, this is Tate and Axeman, everybody. Oh, hey.
Many hours later.
I'm lashing out. Until he folds my rod in half, I'm not gonna reel or set the hook.
I just got hit.
They're down there. Here we go. There.
Finally.
There. He's on good.
Please, John, don't lose him.
I'm not gonna lose him. Oh, it's a walleye. Oh, it's a walleye. Got him. Oh.
Yeah.
Let's go. Diving save. Brad just got him. Diving save.
Oh my god.
And this came off at the hole. Hey, doubled up.
Doubled up,
you see that? Let's go.
Walleye?
Oh my gosh. Dude, wow. Holy crap. Diving save. The arm is wet, but is well worth it. Wow. There we go. That's the first walleye for me of the year. Solid. He's kind of thick.
Yeah, that's a nice one. I'm smaller, but I gotta keep them out.
Yeah. We're just gonna throw this guy, or just leave him in here, probably. Ouch. Hit the knees. Hit the knee diving on the ice.
Yeah. It came off right at the hole.
At the hole. Wow. 14, a little shy of 14. 14. The heat up. I can't see it yet.
Trying to get my vex out of the way.
I got you.
Oh no, I'm wrapped.
Oh. Good? Is that good?
Yeah.
Oh, big perch. Holy
fat
crap,
perch.
Brennan.
Tanker perch.
Oh my gosh. Dude. That's
Tank
huge.
of a perch, dude. That is a jumbo.
That's massive. That is massive.
Okay.
Wow. All right. Let's go.
Let me see that thing.
Holy cow.
Let me see that pig.
That thing is massive. That's
a nice
massive.
fish,
All right,
dude.
we just leaving this out here? All right. That's a wrap, folks. Thanks for watching. I know we didn't catch a lot of fish, but it was still fun, and hopefully you enjoyed. See you later.